Greetings, how to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Rhode Island, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency for investors living in Rhode Island, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in this video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission, kickback links and codes. Now, welcome to our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can find information about all cryptocurrencies, cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin in the United States, videos and articles. It's so easy. Now we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page we can get information about important cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, Ripple, Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin and others. So easy. Firstly, we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this button, information button. In this page we can get information about Bitcoin. Now, how to buy Bitcoin? Just one click, get BTC button. Let's go.